To view Flybys in the Strava app, start by locating the app on your device. Then open it. The Strava app allows you to playback your activity, as well as those near you, on a map and timeline. To access this feature, you'll need to adjust your privacy controls. Begin by navigating to the settings page of your profile, where you'll find a gear icon. Click on this. Then, select the view option at the bottom right, which will take you to a new page with various sections, including privacy controls. Click on this, and you'll be taken to another page where you can find the Flybys section, which is initially set to No One. Change this setting to Everyone, and the feature will become available. It's essential to note that you must be logged in to use this feature. Once you've made these adjustments, you can utilize the Flybys feature to enhance your experience with the Strava app.